if you're looking for the ultimate comfort food to feed you and the family this week, you've got to try my Saucy sausage and beans. It's a classic combination, it's easy to make, delicious to eat, and this will feed a family of 4 for under £12 using these incredible quality M&S ingredients. We're going to start with the star of the show, these M&S outdoor-bred British pork sausages. They are the best of the best, packed full of flavour. We're just going to brown them off. All of that colour makes even more flavour when it comes to eating the finished dish. I've removed the sausages. That smells incredible already. I mean, come on, sausages frying, it's one of the best. Have a splash more oil in the pan. In we go with that chopped rosemary, and we're going to go with these fennel seeds, and we're just going to let them sizzle away for a couple of minutes. It's going to start releasing all the oils, the aromas. We're going to go in with some chopped garlic. We've got sliced onions. We're going to cook that off for around 5 minutes until they're lovely and soft. Well, this just smells incredible. Fried onions, garlic and rosemary and fennel, delicious. In we go with our chopped tomatoes, and then beans are going straight in. We're going to transfer these sausages back into the sauce and let that simmer away. All the juices off the plate. And then just cover it loosely, let it simmer away for 20-25 minutes. While that's simmering away, onto the mashed potatoes. I've boiled them, drained them, mashed them, salt, pepper, a little bit of butter, splash of milk, however you like. Well, that has been simmering away. It's thick, it's rich. This is proper hearty comfort food for those cold nights that are coming in. I've got to say, it smells delicious. This is a proper banger.
Hey!
Proper banger. And then we're going to add in some kale. This cooks in the sauce, dead easy. If you don't like kale, you can use spinach, whatever the kids will like. This will cook in the sauce in 5 or so minutes. We're going to pop the lid on there. That's going to create some steam. Let that kale cook down. Off with the heat, kale is done, mash is done, time to get this plated up. That smells incredible. There we go, my super saucy sausage and beans, the ultimate comfort food for you and your family on these colder nights. That is how you feed your family for under £12 with M&S food. Give it a go.